Welcome to MBA Now. I'm Rob Van Raphorst. MBA is preparing for its 4th annual IMB conference, and here to talk about it with us is our Senior Vice President of Residential Policy and Member Services, Pete Mills. Pete, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Rob.
Pete, I know every year we seem to have record attendance at this event. It keeps getting bigger and bigger. Can you tell the audience what's on store for this year?
Yeah, this is a great event. We started 4 years ago in Dallas. We had 250 folks show up. It was a proof of concept. And each year we've had record attendance. And this year we're expecting over 600 folks to show up in Palm Springs. Expecting a great conference. This year it's going to be a little different than in previous years. It was previously a heavily reg compliance oriented conference. And now I think folks have gotten their feet underneath them on the reg compliance issues, and now we've moved into how do we become more efficient. And so this year's conference will have a heavy tech focus.
So, that's interesting that we're sort of changing up a little bit. In terms of technology, I know that the digitization of the industry is really a big priority. Can you speak a little bit to that and to what we can kind of expect from the conference to talk in terms of that?
Yeah, exactly. And as I've talked to our independent mortgage bankers over the past 6 months, there's been a real shift towards identifying ways to make the business more efficient, to make compliance more efficient. So we talk a lot about fintech. What does it mean? It means different things to different people. And so we're going to talk to our folks and have panel sessions around e-mortgage, blockchain technology, other ways of making the business more efficient. We talk about reg tech as well as fintech. So how can we use technology to make the businesses more efficient on the compliance side of things and lower the costs and deliver more benefits to consumers?
So shifting gears just a little bit, I know that we had a big election just about a month ago or so, and there's headwinds in the market. It seems to be changing a little bit. Rates are going up. How's MBA dealing with both of those big changes?
So again, political transition as well as a market transition. On the political side, our teams are fully engaged with the transition teams for the Trump administration. We're evaluating and reevaluating our policy priorities, trying to see how they align with what the new administration might be doing, so that we can be most effective going into the new year, advocating for the things that we have the best shot at making real change on.
Okay. Well, thanks so much. And I think it's important for our members to know just how engaged we are at the political level here and how forward-thinking we are about the changing marketplace.
Yeah, exactly.
So thanks for coming by, and we're looking forward to the IMB conference.
See you there.
Thanks. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at MBA Mortgage, or check out Mortgage Bankers Association on Facebook and Instagram.